everyone. Today we are going to configure the extended access control list. Previously we have witnessed how does the standard access control list works, and access control lists are basically a set of rules that is used for filtering our network, and the extended ACL acts as a gatekeeper of our network. So they would either permit or deny the traffic based on the protocol, port number, and it depends on the source and destination IP, and they would also take other parameters such as time range. And so let us configure the extended access control list. So the standard one ACL are configured to the router nearest to the source destination, and the extended ones are to be configured to the source. So let us go to the configure terminal, and before implementing the rules, so let us know our requirement. So the PC right now, the PC0 is the 10.1 net assigned with 10.1 IP, and the PC2 is 10.2. So and now if we check the reachability to the 40.2 network, 40.2 server, that is, so it should be pinging. So we are getting the reply. And for the PC0, and we want to go to our HTTP service, so let us just type the IP of the server 40.2. so we are getting the reply, and we are able to open the web page. So the two requirements here are we have to block the HTTP service and the ping service. So let us go to the router, and here we are going to use the numbered access control list for the first, and so we are going to use 100 because we are implementing extended, and then we want to deny the service, and we want to use the TCP protocol because the HTTP comes under TCP, and we are going to block a single host that is 10.1. so let us type the IP of 10.1, and then the source to destination, so that would be a single host again, that is 40.0.0.2, and here we are going to mesh the packet. EQ here defines for the to mesh the packet, and GT here defines for the port numbers which are greater than port number 80, because we are taking port number 80 as a basis, and it will block all the ports greater than port number 80, and LT here defines for the ports which are lesser than port number 80. So we are going to use EQ, and then we are going to deny the HTTP service, the web browsing service, that is www. Enter. We have implemented our first rule, that is for blocking the HTTP service, and let us implement our second rule, that is for blocking the ping service, access list 100, and we are going to deny the traffic of ICMP because ping come under ICMP, and then we are going to block a single host, that is 10.0.0.2 to the source 40.2, 40.2, and the service is echo request. So ping is the echo request, so echo, and then to prevent the implicit deny, we are going to allow all other traffic. So access list 100, and here we are going to permit the traffic that comes under IP protocol, and that is from any source to any destination. So we have written 3 rules, but the concern here comes is, are we going to implement it on fast Ethernet 0/0 or serial 2/0? So we are going to implement in fast Ethernet 0/0. If we implement in serial 2/0, the traffic is moving towards out, and Now we are going to implement in fast Ethernet 0/0. So the traffic is moving inside, so I'm going to use IP access list access group 100, and it is going inside the fast Ethernet 0/0. So in exit, and so access list. So these are the rules that we have written. So history it should be. So let us see if we are able to go to our web browser. First, let us check for the ping. From the 10.1 we have not blocked our ping request, so it is pinging. Let us go to the web browser, and here we type 40.0.0.2. We have blocked the HTTP service, so we are getting request timeout here. And from the second PC, that is 10.2 network, so previously we are able to ping and we have blocked the icmp core request. So let us check. So the destination host is not reachable, which means we have implemented our numbered extended ACL successfully. So let us implement the name. So run, and then let us copy any of the rule, because we know that in numbered, if we delete any of the rule, so the whole rule will automatically be deleted. Okay. Let us go to the configure terminal, and here right click, paste, Control A, no, and then enter. So exit, so access list, so there is no rule now, and then let us go again. So we are getting our service back, that is like HTTP service. And let us check for the 40.2, as we have removed the ping rules. So we are going to implement the same requirement, that is to block the HTTP service from 10.1 and the ping request from 10.2. Let us go to the router. Let us configure the name access extended ACL, and for this let us go to the configure terminal, and then so for using name ACL we use IP access list, and if we put question mark we want to use extended, and then we'll give the name. Then let us give Cisco. So we want to deny, so we want to deny the TCP that comes the HTTP service that comes under HTTP, and that we are going to block from the host 10.1 to host 40.2, and that is equal to the www, that is our HTTP service. And then we are going to block the icmp core request from host 10.0.0.2 to host 40.0.0.2, and then the echo service, the echo request. And to prevent implicit deny, we have to permit any IP from any source to any destination, and exit. And then we are going to implement in interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP access group, and here we are going to give the name of the Cisco, that is the name that we have given in our extended ACL, Cisco, and then it is going inside the fast Ethernet 0/0 in, and then exit. So access list, we have implement the same rules, and let us check from the PC1. So if we hit go again, So probably the HTTP service should be blocked by now because we have implemented the rule. Yes, we have implemented our extended name ACL. So, and from this for 10.2 let us ping 40.2. So we have successfully implemented the extended numbered and name ACL. So thank you all. This is how we configure the extended ACL. Thank you all.